Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we'll discuss about one of the job that I will posted today. So before we discuss about the job, I wanted to let you know that I have been posting the jobs in LinkedIn for every 5 minutes. So I recommend you follow my profile, which is Prakash. I will share the link in the description as well so that you can take a look and follow my profile so that you never miss any job update. So let's discuss about Careerya job opening 18,301. So far, we have posted more than 19,300 jobs, guys. So that's the number. So Careerya is opening 18,301 after companies hiring for senior data engineer at Bengaluru location. You can apply to the job using this link. So let me open the link. Basically, this is it, guys. To what is it? So it is a senior data engineer job at Bengaluru location. So they're looking for someone to join in the enterprise data platform team. So what exactly this role is? So this role is someone for a data engineer who is responsible for designing, building, and maintaining scalable solutions. This role involves collaborating with data engineers, analysts, scientists, and other engineers to ensure data availability, integrity, and security. The ideal candidate will have a strong background in cloud platforms, data warehousing, infrastructure as code, and continuous integration, continuous deployment practices to the dev practices. So these are something what you will do in your day-to-day responsibilities, guys. So I recommend you to read it. Um, so let's see what kind of person they're looking for. They're looking for someone who's having a bachelor's science degree in computer science engineering or any other STEM degree, science, technology, engineering, and management, and mathematics. Sorry. 5+ years of data engineering role is an experience they're looking for, and 5+ years of experience for SQL, ETL tools such as Airflow and DBT, with relational and columnar MPP databases like Flowflake or Redshift, and fun experience with AWS, example S3, Lambda, EM, or EC2 EKS. So basically, these all the tools that they have mentioned are something related to data, like moving data from one place to another or creating or storing the data in some XYZ place. And 2+ years of experience managing CI/CD infrastructure at DevOps, a strong proficiency into like GitHub Actions, Jenkins, Argo CD, GitLab, or any other CI/CD to streamline deployment pipelines and ensure efficient software delivery. So basically, this is combination of data scientist or data engineers plus DevOps as well, and 2+ years of experience with Java, Python, Go, or similar backend languages, with OOPS languages. Experience with Terraform for infrastructure as code. Experience with Docker and containerization technologies. Experience working with Lakehouse architects such as Databricks and file formats like Iceberg and Delta. So looks like these are something related to data lakehouse technologies. I'm a lever of it. If someone knows this, please do comment so that our viewers will be able to understand. Experience in building, designing, and managing complex deployment pipelines. This is pure DevOps. So looks like this role is more of combination of data, DevOps, plus development. So these three are somehow included here. So when you can apply to this job. So basically, as soon as possible, I would say. As soon as possible, you apply for the job before it expires. There will be a lot of competition as well. And who can apply to this job? Anyone who is having skills mentioned here. Do not worry if you are experienced like 2+ year for 3+ year for maybe 10+years. I recommend you to apply for the job. Based on your interview and your experience and qualifications, you'll get a good pay. So this is more of a hybrid role, guys. Just wanted to let you know. How you can apply to the job? Yes, we have a option here. Enter your first name, last name, email, phone number, LinkedIn profile, website, and choose all this, fill up all this, and click on I acknowledge yes, and you can apply. Update these details based on your situation, and click on submit application. That's it. You'll be receiving an email as an acknowledgement. So let's see about salary as well. So I run some tweaks around it. So I came to know at Okta Bangalore, total compensation would be for software engineering levels ranges broadly from 26.3 lakhs to 85.4 lakhs for staff engineer roles, whereas staff engineer with like senior and just a software in the native like junior, like an associate level. So these are seniors of Peringana Chalvaris. We need to go with data engineering. So given the seniority, 5+ years of experience and in Bangalore location, so you can expect the base salary would be around 30 to 45 LPA, and bonus would be 3 lakh to 8 lakh, and RSU would be 5 lakh to 15 lakh. This deserve per annum. So total compensation would be around 38 lakh to 65 lakh per annum based on your experience and your skill set. And let's see a diagram. So let's say if you are having 3 to 5 years of experience, you can expect somewhere around page to 30 base salary, 2 to 4 lakhs of bonus, and 0 to 5 lakhs of RSU. And total compensation would be 22 to 35 lakh. So if you are 5 to 8 years of experience, like senior data engineer, the one role we are discussing, so you can expect around 30 to 45 LP as a base, 3 to 8 as a variable pay, and 5 to 15 as your equity. And you can expect around 38 to 65 LP as in whole. So let's say you got promoted or you may be 8 to 12 years of experience. So if like staff or lead data engineers position, you can expect around 45 to 60 as a base. Bonus is 5 to 10, and equities should be, I mean, if it is around 10 to 25 LPA, and your total compensation would be 55 lakh to 95 LPA, which is very pretty good amount of experience. So let's say if you're having 12 to 6 PS of experience and you're intermanager role or an architect role, you can expect around 60 to 75 LPA, and bonus is 7 to 15 LPA, and equity would be 15 to 35 PR. So overall, it would be 75 lakhs to 120 lakhs for maybe one per to CFL. So these are what the package does. These are the estimations using ChatGPT. So yeah, I think that's it for this video, guys. As I said, do follow my profile for more job-related information, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more job-related information. Guys, thank you, and have a great day.